Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we're checking out the best Type-C thermal camera that can turn your phone into a powerful heat detection tool. If you've ever wanted to see heat patterns right from your smartphone, this one is going to impress you. It's smart, compact, and packed with useful features. Let's get started. Meet the Triplezon TS001 Type-C thermal camera. This small device plugs directly into your smartphone, tablet, or even a Windows laptop and instantly transforms it into a thermal imaging system. No bulky gear, no complicated setup. Just plug it in and you're ready to explore heat in a whole new way. The Triplezon TS001 Type-C thermal camera comes with a sharp 256 by 192 infrared resolution and a smooth 25 Hz frame rate. What does that mean for you? Clear and detailed thermal images that update smoothly in real time. You can even identify tiny components like PCB boards, resistors, and parts as small as 1 millimeter. That level of detail is incredibly useful for technical inspections and precise work. Another impressive feature is the adjustable lens. It allows infrared imaging from as close as 0.1 meters all the way up to 500 meters. So whether you are inspecting walls in a building or observing something far away outdoors, the Triplezon TS001 Type-C thermal camera adapts easily to your needs. It also includes a 9mm adjustable thermal imager that can detect humans at distances up to 200 yards. That is great for outdoor tracking and exploration. To make things even easier, it has built-in target assistance, a compass, and dynamic identification. These tools help you quickly find and lock onto what you're looking for, especially in wide-open areas. One of the smartest design choices is that the Triplezon TS001 Type-C thermal camera does not need its own battery. It draws power directly from your device, and it only uses 0.35 watts of power. So if your phone has a 3,000 to 5,000 milliamp battery, you can expect around 4 to 7 hours of use. That means less charging stress and more time getting things done. You can also capture both photos and videos using infrared mode or dual light mode. You can adjust the fusion level and infrared magnification to get the exact view you need. On top of that, Triplezon image enhancement technology improves clarity and contrast, so your visuals look sharper and more detailed. For professional tasks, the Triplezon TS001 Type-C thermal camera offers inspection report generation, temperature alarms, and even the ability to export temperature data to Excel. These features make it practical for serious work where accurate data really matters. Design-wise, it is compact and lightweight at just 1.58 ounces. You can easily carry it in your pocket or bag. It also comes with a 19.7-inch multi-function extension cable, a phone stand, an EVA storage bag, a quick guide, and a cleaning cloth. Everything you need is right in the box. Small device, big power. If you want to upgrade your smartphone into a smart thermal imaging tool, this is a fantastic option. Check the price link in the description and see if it's right for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more awesome product videos. See you in the next one.